My name is Sharon Ribi, a student at Nova Scotia Community College taking business administration. I'm also a student ambassador for Cengage Canada. Today, I will be giving you a few tips on how to make the best of SAM for your MindTap in your business computer application courses so that you work smart and not too hard, hopefully. So let's begin. So tip number 1. While using SAM, it's important to realize or to note that SAM uses the American measuring system. So this means if you have your computer set up in any other system, you would probably get weighted wrong because the measurements you input will not be the same, especially when there's instructions to place something maybe a few inches by this or, those kinds of instructions. So go to your settings in your computer and make sure that you have it set up to the American metric system. You will realize that you have a project A and a project B. If your teacher is like mine, then you probably have more trials for project A and you can do it a maximum of 3 times. So what I do is I do project A and download a report after my first try to see how SAM is marking. So depending on the instructions and my grade on that, if I did terribly or if I just did a grade that I didn't like, I would check to see what SAM marked as wrong. So then I can use this information to do my second trial and third trial, by which I would have kind of perfected my usage of SAM for project B, which often carries more mark. So use project A to get ready for your project B. Good luck and all the best.